While there is a ton of vulnerability and unpredictability on the lookout, numerous financial backers see extraordinary expected in different coins. The ubiquity of the torrential slide network has been credited to its powerful essentials and the different advantages it offers. These incorporate its lightning-quick exchange paces and adaptability. With an ongoing return on initial capital investment of 3,337.96%, the organization is definitely worth putting resources into. The coin's worth has developed essentially, offering an incredible possibility for what's to come. Be that as it may, doing a reasonable level of effort is crucial prior to putting resources into any crypto coin. You should know about authentic value patterns and specialized investigation to know the best chance to trade your crypto coin. In this way, to put resources into torrential slide and need a point-by-point examination, we have one for you. We will examine the torrential slide cost expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. Along these lines, you can come up with an optimal procedure for putting resources into this coin. Torrential slide outline first. We really want to get an outline of the coin to grasp its general advancement. Torrential slide is one of the top-performing crypto coins that has kept up with its development. Hence, it has turned into the top pick for the vast majority financial backers as of late. The ongoing cost of the digital money known as torrential slide is $13.45. It is positioned 18th in the crypto environment. The organization has a flow supply of 310,564,672 and a market cap of $4,177,736,564. The cost of the torrential slide has expanded by 1.75% as of now. This is because of the expansion in its exchanging volume. The most recent 7 days have seen the ascent of the torrential slide organization. It's as of now in a solid vertical pattern and could be an extraordinary chance to get in on the activity. The cost of the digital money known as torrential slide has diminished by 15.449% somewhat recently. This unexpected drop has made the coin turn into a decent purchase and open door for financial backers. The new market auction is one reason that the costs of all crypto coins have definitely fallen. Torrential slide has lost around 80% of its worth since February 2nd. The Russian intrusion, calls for guidelines in the crypto market, and tech auction are only a couple of purposes for torrential slide's exceptional cost fall. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. The torrential slide establishment has as of late sent off a program pointed toward speeding up the reception of its creative subnet usefulness. This permits a rich environment of blockchains to be constructed. The objective of the torrential slide establishment's motivation program is to help the advancement of new biological systems. It's likewise centered around supporting the reception of its subnets, a Web3 dApp scaling arrangement. The cost of the digital currency known as torrential slide could increment by up to 15% on the off chance that the organization's advancements proceed. In any case, in the event that the market neglects to refresh and the cost of the cash deteriorates, then, at that point, it could drop to $13.76. In view of the potential situations as a whole, the normal cost of the digital currency by 2023 could be around $14.74. Financial backers ought to recall that these costs are liable to change because of the great unpredictability on the lookout. It is fundamental to remain refreshed with the recent fads to guarantee you can contribute brilliantly and get an ideal profit from your speculation. Torrential slide value expectation 2024 specialists and experts have an uplifting perspective for digital currencies in 2024. Since the notoriety and the consciousness of computerized resources would expand, the interest for different digital currencies, including torrential slide, will keep on developing. Along these lines, we can hope to see an expansion in its worth. The solid basics of the organization could prompt more acknowledgments and new appropriations, which would push the cost of the digital money higher. By 2024, the computerized symbolic's worth could arrive at a limit of $22.65. In the event that the crypto resource goes through huge liquidations, the cost of the torrential slide could drop to $18.91. In any case, to keep up with its worth, a balance in the exchange practices of the business could assist the cryptographic money with coming to $20.78. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. It is verifiable in the expectation of the cost for a drawn-out period that one ought to dissect the authentic information of the digital currency. Doing so assists one with deciding how it acts when the bear market dominates. On the off chance that the altcoin gets impacted by regrettable opinions or administrative limitations, the cost of the cryptographic money could tumble to $22.77. Nonetheless, on the off chance that it can defeat these deterrents, the cost of the cryptographic money could reach $25.31. Many individuals accept that the job of blockchain innovation and digital money will increment essentially by 2025. Thusly, there is a decent opportunity that we can see a positive effect on the crypto market. An expansion popular for the torrential slide will push the coin's worth up. In any case, financial backers need to know that these are simply hypotheses and shouldn't put resources into the coin due to these projections. You want to watch out for the changing elements in the financial circumstance that will affect the crypto coin's worth. Torrential slide long haul conjecture 2030. Since there are no set boundaries or key execution markers, it turns out to be somewhat difficult to anticipate the crypto coin's worth in the long haul. Dissimilar to stock, no monetary records, proclamations, incomes, or proportion examinations can assist you with assessing the coin's worth in the following 5 to 10 years. By the by, we have gathered information from different examination devices to give you a thought regarding the conceivable worth of the torrential slide coin in 2030. The crypto coin will probably exchange around the normal cost of $790 to $800. The most noteworthy exchanging worth can be around $930, while the least cost for the torrential slide coin can be about $750 to $760. Most financial backers will quite often contribute for a drawn-out period to partake in a decent return and to save themselves from unpredictability. Torrential slide value examination. The torrential slide digital money was disclosed in September 2020. While the coin was exchanging for around $3 to $7 in the initial 4 to 5 months after its send-off, its worth saw a quick flood in 2021. The coin's worth came to $47 constantly 7-day stretch of February. Nonetheless, the coin's worth declined for the following a half year prior to arriving at an unequaled high worth of $146.22 on November 21, 2021. While the crypto coin encountered some highs and lows, it's seeing a negative pattern since the third 7-day stretch of WAC 2022. Torrential slide coin has lost over 80% of its worth and is exchanging at $23 as of July 19, 2022. The unpredictability of the cryptographic money market has impacted the cost of the torrential slide. Over the most recent 14 days, the altcoin has dropped by 25.0%, given the ongoing ideal market cap. This moment is a decent opportunity to purchase this resource, albeit the cost of Avax has dropped by 4.7%, still a wise speculation for those who are hoping to add a couple of currencies to their assortment. The cost of the altcoin changed between a high of $146 and a low of $48.06 during the beyond 90 days. This addresses a 208% swing. The ascent of the torrential slide has been ascribed to the rising number of exchanging meetings. As per the ongoing information, the volume of exchanges has expanded essentially during the beyond 4 months. The absolute inventory and the size of the market are a portion of the variables that impact the cost of the altcoin. On May 4, 2022, crypto trading company Valkyrie uncovered that it would start offering institutional financial backers the chance to take part in the improvement of the torrential slide trust. This organization will permit them to get more openness to the blockchain innovation. It likewise opens up additional entryways for future ventures inside the environment.